What's up, everybody? So today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to evaluate a school to see if it's a good fit for whatever it is that you were looking for in school. So give me 1 second here. Let's drop open a new tab. Not mess up the screen recorder here. Okay, so let's go with I don't know. Top university CS degree in the US. Just as an example. Okay, so let's go with all right, let's see. Okay, Columbia. It doesn't really. Come on. All right. Look up the program of a CS degree from MIT. Analyze the program offerings, costs, etc. Then evaluate the benefits and return on investment of this degree in comparison to self-guided learning or getting a CS degree from a less prestigious university. So, see what it comes back with. Obviously, it's the end of the school year, so a lot of people are looking to see what they're going to do going into college. And nowadays, with tools like ChatGPT, it makes it easier than ever to analyze things from an objective point of view. So, all right, 90 grand a year. Wow, that's quite a bit. Starting at a median of 126,000 a year. Georgetown University ranks MIT at top 3. Yep, a lot of obviously high-powered founders have come out of MIT. You see here, giving you the analysis of So basically here really is, this matrix lets you visualize it pretty clearly. Now let's see. Overall acceptance rate, 4.5% acceptance rate. Wow. I knew it was low, but I didn't know it was that low. That makes sense though. All right, and then what are the stats for the same graduation stats for the same program? So just quickly doing an analysis, seeing what obviously is involved in the program and what the potential return on investment could be. A lot of people, obviously, if you get accepted in there, you don't want to not finish. So So, all right. Well, again, the point of this video isn't to just talk about MIT specifically, but it's to show how you can analyze a program from a school and really just see what the benefit of it would be. Let me see. Science degree. Let's see. I just wanted to go. Another way to do this as well, quickly, because I don't want to let this video run too long. Already at almost 6 minutes, but another way is analyze their web page and give me a summary of the program along with any other benefits or costs involved. Another way as well, obviously, just copy and paste the actual course site program or program site directly into it and just get a summary spit out as to what exactly is involved. So again, if you're now over the summer, if you're not already applying or accepted into a college, if you're beginning now the process or in the middle of the process, definitely don't sleep on using ChatGPT to analyze fully. Obviously, you're going to do your due diligence, I'm sure, as a student looking to see where you're going to attend. But aside from that, using tools that we have today, like ChatGPT, you can really get some good information and just speed up the process definitely, and make sure that you're you're not leaving any stone unturned, basically. One last thing. Show me recent graduate reviews of the MIT CS program. So there you have it. Some more good information. So with that, I'll close out this video and I will catch you guys in the next one. Have a great day.